Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of past paper for mathematics and computer science for OE level. Today, in paper 6, probability and statistics, session October number 2018, we shall discuss question number 4. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. For the online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In probability 6 and statistics 1 October November session 2018, the question number 4 is find the number of different ways that 5 boys and 6 girls can stand in a row if all the boys stand together and all the girls stand together. So the grouping between the boys and the girls. So now we shall find out the solution for part 1. According to the given condition, both boys are together and girls are together. It means that the boys may be on the left side of the girl or on the right side of the girl. So there are two options, 2p2. There are 5 boys. 5 boys have arrangement 5p5. As there are 6 girls, so they have arrangement 6p. So the total arrangement are 2p2 is the option for the boys or the girls standing on left side or right side. 5p5 is the options for arrangement for the boys, and 6p5 is the option arrangement for the girls. So the total arrangement are 172800. For the part second, find the number of different ways that 5 boys and 6 girls can stand in a row if no boys stand next to another boy. One boy is not with another boy. So according to this condition, we shall find out the solution for part second. According to the given condition, no boys stand next to another. As there are 6 girls, so girl 1, G1 is girl 1, girl 2 and girl 6. So for the first boy, there are the options at the static place. First boy can stand at this position, or so on. So there are 7 options for the first boy to stand up. For the first boy can stand up any of the above 7 static positions. So for the first boy there are 7 positions. As there are total of 5 boys, so we have 7 5 5 p5 arrangement. They are 6 girls will also permute with each other. So we have the arrangement between the girls 6p6. So the total number of ways are 7p5 is the option, is the arrangement for the boys, and 6p6 is the arrangement for the girls. The total arrangement are 1824400. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.